In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a task to another list in Clickup. Whether you're just getting started or looking to streamline your workflow, knowing how to relocate tasks efficiently is a key skill. Let's begin by understanding how to open the task you wish to move. Start by navigating to the specific task. You can locate tasks in a variety of views, whether it's the list, board, calendar, or any other view that Clickup offers. Simply click on the task from your chosen view to bring up its details. Once you have opened the task, you need to access the Move option. If you are directly within the task details, look for an icon which typically resembles an arrow or a folder. This is your Move task icon, so go ahead and click on it. Alternatively, if you're working from a broader view, like the list view, hover over the task. You'll notice an ellipsis icon, often represented as 3 dots, adjacent to the task name. Click on this ellipsis to bring up a drop-down menu, and from there, select the Move option. Now, let's proceed to selecting the destination. After clicking the Move option, a modal window will appear. This is where you'll choose the new home for your task. You'll have the ability to either search for a specific list by name or browse through your pre-organized spaces and folders until you find the right one. Select the list where you want your task to go to ensure it lands exactly where you need it for optimal organization. As we move on to confirming the movement, you have an important decision to make. If your goal is to completely transfer the task to the new list and remove it from its original list, you can go ahead and complete the selection. However, if you've previously enabled the Tasks in Multiple Lists Click app, you might want to keep the task in its current list while also adding it to another list. You'll usually find options such as Move and Keep in Current List or Add to Another List in the modal. Choose whichever suits your needs to make the most of Clickup's flexible task management capabilities. To finalize, simply confirm your selection. Once you do, your task will seamlessly move to the new destination appearing in the list you selected. Following these straightforward steps will ensure that your tasks are organized exactly as you want them, improving not only your workflow but also your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other ClickUp guides to become an expert in efficient task management. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!